Okay, I'm going to do a little experiment now to see if I can block the Wi-Fi signals coming from my Wi-Fi router with tinfoil. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put the Wi-Fi router in a box. Here's a box that I have that I no longer need, and put the router inside that and then cover the outside of the box with tinfoil and see if it blocks the signals. Simple as that. Now this PlusNet router, there's actually two types of Wi-Fi. There's like two different bands that it can operate on. It's currently on the 2.4 gigahertz wireless band, and there's also a 5 gigahertz wireless band as well, which I try not to use Wi-Fi at all, to be honest. But for this experiment, I'm going to do both to see if it blocks the signals for both. So if I just unlock my iPad, which is next to it. Okay, this is my iPad, and this is my network here at the moment, and it's showing full strength. Now it doesn't show like anything more than just the 3-bar full strength, so that's the only thing I've got to work off. But there's all these other networks, and out of the 7 showing, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there was 7 showing before. Most of them have got full bars on as well. So if you live in like an apartment block like me, then the chances are you're going to be exposed to numerous Wi-Fi fields from all these different people, all in the different rooms. So yeah. So quite simple experiment, full bar at the moment for mine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see what happens if I just put it in the box without any tinfoil on, to see if that affects it. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, it's inside here. And I've enclosed it as much as possibly can, so it's not like open at the back or anything. And as you can see, it's still showing full power. So the cardboard makes absolutely no effect whatsoever in reducing the signal strength. So let's now put some tinfoil on it. Okay, so there's 2 sides to tinfoil paper. There's a shiny side and a not so shiny side. I've put the shiny side inwards because obviously, logically, a shiny side would be more reflective. So I've put that facing inwards. Okay, now if you have a look at the Wi-Fi signal, it's still showing full power. Doesn't seem to block it in any way whatsoever. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try the other Wi-Fi band, the 5G one, and see if that's showing full power. Okay, I've now disconnected the 2.4 gigahertz wireless and activated the 5 gigahertz wireless, and as expected, it's still showing full power. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is reverse the tinfoil and have the shiny side on the outside, and see if that makes a difference. Okay, this is now with the silver shiny side of the tinfoil on the outside, and obviously the dull side of it on the inside. And it's on the 2.4 gigahertz wireless setting. And when you look at the network strength, it's full bar, no change whatsoever. Okay, and finally I've just set it to the 5 gigahertz band and have a look again, and no change whatsoever, it's still full bar. So tinfoil doesn't appear to block Wi-Fi signals in any way at all. at least one layer of Wi-Fi signals. I don't know whether it's escaping anywhere. It doesn't appear to be, but it doesn't seem to have any effect whatsoever. So that's interesting.